In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your USB flash drive for viruses using Bitdefender Internet Security 2025. This will take around 5 minutes, and by the end, you'll know how to keep your data secure and protected from any malicious threats. First, you'll want to launch the Bitdefender app on your computer. If you haven't already done so, open up the app to get started. Once you're in, you'll see an array of features aimed at keeping your digital life safe and sound. Bitdefender is known for its robust security features, so you're in good hands right from the start. After opening the app, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Look for the Protection option, which is usually prominently displayed. Clicking on Protection will take you to a new view filled with different security tools. This is your gateway to a customized protection experience and is crucial for tackling threats the way you want. Next, you'll need to click on the antivirus option. The antivirus section is where all the magic happens when it comes to scanning and detecting potential threats to your USB or any other connected device. This area contains all the features designed to hunt down and eliminate malware, making it a critical step in ensuring your USB is virus-free. Following that, you'll see an Open button. Go ahead and click on this. By clicking here, you're entering the detailed settings of the antivirus tool. It's basically like a command center that gives you a better grip on how your protection is managed. From here, you need to select Manage Scans. This brings you to a page where you can oversee and adjust your scanning preferences. With Manage Scans, you're in control, deciding what and when to scan, allowing for a personalized and flexible approach to security. The next click is on Custom Scans. This is where you'll specifically target your USB flash drive for scanning. Custom scans let you determine which specific drives or folders you want to be scanned, providing you with pinpoint accuracy in your security measures. Once you're in the Custom Scans section, you'll have the option to add your USB drive to the scan queue. Make sure your USB is plugged into your computer, and simply follow the prompts to include it in the list of items to scan. This ensures that the virus check will focus on your USB, searching meticulously for any hidden threats. And there you have it, a straightforward and efficient way to check your USB flash drive for viruses using Bitdefender Internet Security 2025. Taking these few moments to scan your devices can save you from a headache down the road, safeguarding your data and peace of mind. Stay secure, and thanks for watching. And